Alright you guys, so this is gonna be another quick video. This is a public service announcement, you guys. If you guys have aftermarket wheels, please run HUBCENTRIC rings. People might think it's a very common thing to know, but I didn't know that. If you guys don't know, the wheels that are on the Acura TLs are my first ever aftermarket wheels I ever bought for a car. So I didn't know, I've heard about HUBCENTRIC rings, but I didn't know much to the point where I think it was necessary. But I just installed some HUBCENTRIC rings onto the TL and it was a game changer in terms of driving experience. Before that, you know, I put the wheels on when I installed the coilover, so which is like 6 months ago, and I didn't know what the problem is. Every time I accelerate in first gear, it always shake as if it was a category 5 earthquake or something. Like it was like and I couldn't, for the life of me, I can't figure it out. I thought it was I looked up the forums and stuff, and I thought it was a CV axle. Once you lowered the TL, a lot of times the vibrations from the CV axles, and so that's what I thought it was. And I was like, oh, this is gonna be like another, you know, for some Raxels or something, it's gonna be like $400. Literally last week or 2 weeks ago, it somehow dawned on me to get HUBCENTRIC rings. And I was like, let's see if this reduces vibration. And by golly, I installed it and it drives like a dream again. It drives as if now, of course, not entirely. There's still vibration in terms of when I floor it in, say, second, third gear, a minor vibration, but minor enough that I can deal with it. First gear pull, all good, smooth as butter. And I also want to add that HUBCENTRIC rings are much cheaper than getting new CV axles, and it's so cheap. It's like, I got mine for like 12 bucks on Amazon, and so it's 12 bucks or $400. I feel like I have to put this as its own video just because how important it is for people to use HUBCENTRIC rings on their aftermarket wheels. A lot of you probably have know this information already, but I made this video just for people who have overlooked it or people who don't know about it really. And so yeah, I think this will be the last video in terms of how short the video's been. I think after this video, we're gonna go back to our longer form videos of the TL content. But yeah, that's it. If you guys have a good one, I guess. I don't know how to end this. It's been a while, I don't know how to end these videos.